All right, guys, our nation's independence is here. The 4th of July is upon us. We've got red, white, and blue Trans Ams right behind me, 73 and a 71. The Super Duty is a white on white Super Duty, and the 71's a 455 HO 4-speed car, and this is 73 frame-off nut and bolt automatic AC car. These are all available on our website for sale, but we're just wanting you guys to celebrate the 4th of July. Have a great, happy holiday. Be safe. Keep all your appendages. Don't lose any fingers, and have a lot of fun and enjoy yourself. Thanks, guys.